I pay over 4,000 on my monthly bill. You can call it TNT.
The number, the provider.
No, I cannot use somebody's number as a governorship candidate.
Yes.
If you're a smart person in America, you don't use a prepaid number because it can be, it can cost you a lot. So, okay, what did my number send you? Because my phone sent auto message. It's called telemarketing. Okay. Why? Do you know what is going to save your life? Proverbs 4:7 says, wisdom is the principal thing. Therefore, seek wisdom, and every other thing shall be added unto you. You know the problem with African people? They are so avaricious and they engulf in monetary things. We forget that sustainability of health, right, and security is more paramount. Do you want to buy shoe? The other day I was begging you. Today I'm not staying. I'm going to dash it to homeless people.
Yes.
That's okay. Now let me help you. I'm writing my autobiography.
Okay.
Is there 70? You said I don't give you job. I'm trying to give you job. Is there 77 chapters? True time, metaphysical, emotional, artificial, counterintelligence, health, inspirational, spiritual, comic autobiography. But it's okay. Go to my YouTube. Only 2 times USA DB Lotto winner. If you go to my YouTube channel, but it's okay. If you go to my YouTube channel and watch 130 videos, 1 minute. I don't just come here to eat. I come here to migrate with my fellow intellects. Because I can go to Jerry and eat $10 food, but I can go to Jerry to eat I can go to Jerry to eat $10 food, but I come here to pay $100 because I meet people on my pedigrees. But it's okay if you go to my YouTube, watch 130 videos. If you don't make at least $1 million in a month, I will give you my $1 billion investment in Nigeria. If you can author, I have 130 videos on my YouTube. They are manuscript towards my 2026 documentary. My documentary is going to be approved by U.S. Intelligence Department and according to U.S. Library of Congress, and it's going to be an award-winning book, right? If the manuscript is on my video, I will give you iPhone 17 Pro Max. I will pay you a 1-year phone bill. I will give you iPad Pro. I will give you MacBook Pro. If you can author it as a written test, right? I will give you 50%. I will give you 50% shares in my foundation. I've heard about the thing TLAAA. Huh? That's why I'm born to be an attorney. That's why I'm born to be an attorney, a man of God. Now, Dr. Peter B will say, I'm not Kennedy. Kennedy is someone that makes no sense. Except you're not comprehending my terminology and my nomenclature. Because for you to go and there do aerodynamics in Russia, do literature in Nigeria, and end up what Ukraine? What did you do in Ukraine? What did you do in Germany?
What?
Germany. Where were you? Where were you? Italy, Rome, right? What did you study there? What did you study there, Chairman? Hold on. What did you study in Rome? Okay, hold on. This is not time for comedy. Did you work at Mercedes or what? Because you told me you studied aerodynamics. You were fixing aircrafts. What did you? You told me you were an aircraft engineer. Is that okay? Here, what did you study in Italy? Mechanical. That's 2. What did you study in Nigeria? Okay, in Nigeria you're an undergraduate, so you're not qualified to be my attorney when I win governorship. So and you ended up into legal firm now.
No, it's 2098.
Did you go into law because of the money? Did you go into law because of frustration or passion? No, I'm trying to help you. I'm a life helper. Don't give me money. Well, it's okay. I know you got so much respect and love for me. Let us send me your social security and routing number. Let me issue you some check. Under Trump, you need to verify anybody you are making a payment to.
Yes.
Or you can become a suspect by affiliation. I don't, association is the common word. I say affiliation as an intellectual genius. Don't worry, I'll sign up for law school at School of Law, Harvard.
Yes.
In less than 4 years, I will come back from McCarthy to Dr. Francis to Osanti. Everybody that assaulted me, I will sentence them by myself. Then I will extradite them to OKTT. So I can have time to do my governorship. Yeah. Everybody. Okay, to the capital of Biafra. Let me leave you so you don't choke, because nobody can do CPR here when you choke. Say please, don't tell me to move. Say please. But it's okay, so you should give me 1 Guinness so I can forgive him. Because they said they will kill me at Stonegate. The case is still at the Flora Chavez Criminal Court of Justice downtown. Give OJ too, because the way he's looking at me, he like alcohol. Because isn't if it's a man blood drink and drank by himself, and very soon he will have ascites and start calling me for medical intervention. Give me 1 Guinness before I change my mind. The problem with Nigeria is that nobody comprehends my nomenclature except Jennifer. That's why when I speak English, everybody will start fighting. Cody, give me Guinness. I will go to Green Farmers and buy it and bring it here. That's what the fight he taught me. Please. Code 1, big bottle, Odeku. As a governorship candidate. If you're interested in my governorship, send the account number. I'm sharing money.